Hello students, in this session you are going to learn chapter 5 working with Windows operating system. Contents of this session are Introduction to operating system, next Introduction to Windows operating system, and next different mouse actions, and last various versions of Windows. First, what is an operating system? Already in last chapter we had discussed about this operating system. Operating system is a system software which acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware, and it controls the overall operations of a computer. Next, some of the important functions of an operating system are memory management, process management, device management, file management, security management, and last, control overall system performance. Next, what is multitasking? Multiple applications can be executed simultaneously, which is known as multitasking. So, multitasking in an operating system allows the user to perform more than one computer task at a time. That is, at a time we can open Paint, PowerPoint, MS Excel and all. So, this is what multitasking. Next, functions of Windows operating system. First, access applications on the computer. That is, we can access MS Word, PowerPoint, then games, spreadsheets, calculators and so on. And next, we can load any new program on the computer. Next, we can manage hardware such as printers, scanners, mouse, digital cameras and so on. And next, file management activities. That is, we can create new file, we can modify the existing file, and we can save the file, delete the files and folders and all. And last, changing computer settings. That is, we can change the wallpaper, we can change the screensavers of the computer. So, these are the functions of Windows operating system. Next, let us see the different mouse actions. This is an important 5-mark question. First, if you move the mouse pointer over an icon means then it will point that icon. Next, if you click any icon on the desktop means then that icon will be selected. Next, if you right click the mouse means it will display a pop-up menu with various options. Next, if you double click the mouse over any icon means then that icon will be open. And last, drag and drop. It is used to move the icons from one place to another place on the desktop. So, these are the different mouse actions. Next, different versions of Windows operating system. First, Windows 1.x was developed in the year 1985 and mouse was introduced in that year. Next, Windows 2.x was developed in the year 1987 and the control panel feature was developed during that year. Next, Windows 3.x was developed in the year 1992 and the concept of multitasking was introduced. And next, color monitors were also introduced during that year. Next, Windows 95 was introduced in the year 1995 and 32-bit processor were introduced at that time. Next, Windows 98 was developed during the year 1998 and Internet Explorer concept were introduced. And next, Windows NT was developed and it was designed to act as servers in networks. Next, Windows Me was developed during the year 2000 and it introduced automated system concept. Next, Windows 2000 was developed during the year 2000 and it served as an operating system for business desktop and laptop systems. Next, Windows XP was developed in the year 2001 and 64-bit processor were introduced. Next, Windows Vista was developed during the year 2006 and it updated the look and feel of the Windows. And next, Windows 7 was introduced in the year 2009. Here, booting time was improved and new interfaces were introduced. Next, Windows 8 was developed during the year 2012 and it is faster than previous version and it served as a common platform for mobile and computer. And last, Windows 10 was developed during the year 2015. Here, Start button was added again and multiple desktops were developed. So, these are the various versions of Windows. Next, today's assignment question is explain the different mouse actions. So, with this I conclude our class today. Thank you.